Must have been Buddy. Hi, Buddy. I saw you. It's raining out. Could be seeing rain. Buddy, let's go. Hi, dude. I saw you. I didn't want to wake you. You didn't have to go out. Oh, yeah. Was it nice out, huh? How are you doing? I didn't bother you last night, did I? I let you rest. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Bye. Alright, bye-bye.
I think what we have here is lens refraction. The object was so close to the camera, that's what we came out with. I found it most interesting, and of course I had to enhance and pop. And this is earlier shot today. As for manta ray, hey, it's triangle. Quite amazing. And I love to invert him. You know, the better the looks, the better the understanding. And screenshots, yep, had to do the whole 9 yards. Well, just keep tabs, subscribe, bye.